we encountered a little gift shop.
Two gift shops.
Two gift shops, one of which we almost bought furniture at. So we would have gone to a castle and bought furniture.
Bring your friends.
I could get a ding with the pain. Sitting in the caddy, plotting on the bench. Baby, do a hottie, do a ting. You should bring your fans, bring your friends. I could get a ding with the pain. Sitting in the caddy, plotting on the bench. Baby, do a hottie, do a ting. You should bring your fans, bring your friends.
HSN 2714.
We're looking for our rental car right now.
Oh, you're recording. That's probably not legal.
Oh, that's probably not legal. Yeah,
We should bleep me out.
We're looking for a rental car. We're using a fun little app called Share Now, which is actually kind of annoying, but we appreciate it because we have a car we can use.
They're never going to sponsor you now.
No, I'm never going to get sponsored. If I were smarter, there would be some really smart thing to say about how we're using our miniature computers that we call people with to reserve a car electronically to go see castles, hundreds of years old castles.
Hundreds.
Is it thousands?
I don't know. We have at least 2 on the list. We could do 3. Could do 4.
It's just going to cost more and more. Well, it depends.
What?
So we have the car for 4 hours. So if we get done with 2 of the castles, then we could go see another one. We pay for the time and then we pay per kilometer, which seems a little, we're splitting hairs. Did we pass it?
I don't know. I think the 2 places we are going are Schloss Dyck. Yeah.
I don't know whether it's Schloss Dyck or I always
I'll start spitting them Deutsch bars.
spitting them Deutsch bars.
That's on. We got folks, so.
We got folks, y'all. Not sponsored. Not sponsored.
What?
This is not sponsored content.
Oh, I thought you took the car and then me, like, I'm not
You're
sponsored.
not sponsored.
Honey, I'm sponsored by the Lord.
Chillin' overseas, trying to chase these M's. Out on Hackney, in the ends. I don't want no hand, I don't want no land. Got it on my own, this shit is known. Oh, he in the zone, he in the zone, Did it for my own, bitch, I owe, Goes to show, I'm a pro, I move a little slow. Longevity is something that they don't know. All started from a trash is on the stove. Nigga, I was chefing Mr. Castle.
We officially made it to our first Schloss of the day. And I have to say...
What does Schloss mean?
Yeah, I was going to say, what does Schloss mean? Well, I have to say the Germans are quite pedantic about the use of the word Schloss. They'll always be like, oh, Schloss is like more akin to the English word palace than castle. But I have not found that to be true. For example, Schloss Dyck is probably more like a palace, but then there's also a place called Schloss Burg, which is literally the 2 German words for castle, Schloss and Burg. Some of the most famous ones, like Schloss Neuschwanstein, is also a Schloss, but that's not a palace at all. So, at the end of the day, I don't really think it matters which word they use. It's all just kind of like castle, palace, whatever. And I can't wait for that to piss someone off who watches this video.
All I ever wanted was a tape, they ain't love, now we fucking everywhere. Young and better use a glove. Shouts out the water, baby, shouts out the blood. Shouts out my body, this and that, such and such. When you see me riding, now you better pull up that clutch. Then I hit the studio and match up easy with the Dutch.
I could get a ding with the pain. Sitting in the caddy, plotting on the bench. Baby, do a hottie, do a ting. You should bring your fans, bring your friends. I could get a ding with the pain. Sitting in the caddy, plotting on
So one of the reasons we decided to come here today instead of somewhere else is because this garden around the Schloss is actually open. It's one of the only ones that's open right now during lockdown, so we can actually walk around and check things out, which is great.
On paper, at one point in time, this was just somebody's home. This was just like, this is my house, and I happen to have some friends that live here, and we just walk around and we promenade through the garden. Like, that's insane.
there's like a big moat around the castle, which like back in the day, that's how you knew you got it. When you got a moat, that's when you got it.
Baby, you a hottie, you a 10. You should bring your friends, yeah, bring your friends.
Yeah, I know I'm a youngin', but I live this life. Sippin' on a little till I'm feeling nice. If you ain't having fun, you ain't living right. They talking about some guns, so can y'all really fight?
Amber's precariously adding sugar to her coffee.
Nicht Zucker, it's just Süßstoff.
Oh, Süßstoff.
Süßstoff. And I'm trying to get it out of the little thing. I can't do it. Got it.
Perfect.
Okay. Are you ready?
Can you imagine
What?
being royal, waking up here, going down to
I
the
do
tourist
this
shop,
every day.
buying a latte with soy milk?
Why you wanna pop it all on the inner? They just taking pictures, they ain't really living. You know my team winning, nigga, that's a given. Monster like Sully, Tunji and Gully. Maybe cause I'm fly than a Broad Street bully. Hits in the tucky, I was in the ducky. All hard work, I ain't get it that lucky.
Figuring out the rental car actually took us so long that I don't think we're gonna have a chance to go to another castle today. But that's okay, because this one was really, really cool and also really, really big. So I feel like we got our money's worth.
Yeah, I bet you thought I had a clone, but I just got grown. Told you.
So Amber,
Yes.
could you do it? Castle life.
Absolutely, I do it every day.
You do it every day.
Absolutely, I'm a queen.
I think this is over.
What? The
This-
video?
No.
Or the marriage?
Both.
You should bring your friends, yeah, bring your friends. I could get a dang with the pain. Sitting in the caddy, plotting on the bench. Baby, you a hottie, you a 10. You should bring your friends, yeah, bring your friends.
I have to add a postscript because as we were walking out, we encountered a little gift shop.
Two gift shops.
Two gift shops, one of which we almost bought furniture at. So we would have gone to a castle and bought fucking furniture. Instead,
talked ourselves out.
I got Schloss Dyck brand apple juice. So I'll let you know how castle apple juice tastes.
And fresh apples from the orchard around
Yeah.
here. There's a pear orchard and an apple orchard close by. And brochures for 2021 events.
We'll be back.